Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today we're having another chat operator position, and it is for a UK company that is willing to pay you 566 euros per week. I will leave the link in the description box, and without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. So the name of the company is Chat from Home, and this is how their website looks like. Here it says become a chat operator for the UK market and work from anywhere. So guys, if you like writing and making conversation, then this one is for you. So what will happen is that users will write online text messages on a fantasy chat platform, and your job is to answer them and make a conversation. So you will be chatting about everything from daily life such as sports, the weather, to dreams, fantasies, and other topics. They say you need to be open-minded. So as a chat agent, you will be 100% anonymous. It's text only, there's no video, and there's also no voice call. You will be working independently with full flexibility. So you're going to earn more depending on how often you work and help those who need someone to talk to. So this company has bonuses and have other incentives to add to what you earn. For example, if you send over a certain number of messages, recruit a friend, or work at a peak hour, then you are obviously going to qualify for a bonus. So another benefit of working for this company is that there's flexibility. They always strive to pay their employees better than other chat operator services. They also enable you the potential of making greater salary. So they are paying weekly. So if you are going to be working for this company, you will be paid every week. However, you are responsible for your own taxes, pension, and other legal considerations on your end. Now let's scroll down to check the requirements. So here are the requirements. You need to master English and writing. They say written English should be impeccable, especially since you will be working text-based. So you need to be 18 years and above. So they will also ask you to prove that you are 18 years old or above by asking for your identity document or driver's license. So you also need to accept their privacy statement and their contract terms. And the fourth one says you are responsible for your own equipment. That means that you need to have your own laptop. You have to have your own internet. So they're not going to provide you with the laptop or give you internet or pay you for your internet. No, you are responsible for your own equipment. So there's a minimum number of messages that you need to send per week to keep your account active. So here's why they need to see your ID before you start working. They say according to the United Kingdom law, they cannot let anyone under 18 work as a contractor with their services. Secondly, they do not have an opportunity to send salary payment through a payment service provider unless they can confirm that they are sending them to the right person. So thirdly, there is only one accepted method of verifying who you are, which is by providing a government issued ID, valid government issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, and other ID. They say they don't store your ID for any other reason than legal and to help you get started as easily as possible. Let's scroll down to check out the salary expectations. So first week, if you are going to send between 25 and 35 messages an hour, and then working a total of 15 to 20 hours per week, you will be paid between 110 and 170 euros per week. And then second week, you will be, because you're now getting faster with sending messages, you used to the system, you might be sending between 35 and 45 messages on average per hour, and you might be working between 20 and 30 hours per week. Then you are going to be paid between 226 euros and 283 euros per week. And then lastly, which is a fourth week plus, you are obviously going to be sending between 45 and 60 messages on average per hour, and you're going to be working between 20 and 40 hours per week, and you are going to be paid between 340 and 566 euros per week. So to get started with the application process, you will click on apply now, and you will land on this page, which is the first step of the application process. It requires your name, your last name, your first name, sorry, your last name, your email address. Then you have to agree to the privacy policy and also agree that you are 18 years old and above. So the application process is basically a three-step application. So the first step is the easy application, which is the form that is above. So they only require your first name, last name, email address, and also for you to accept if you are 18 years and above, and also accept their terms and condition. And the second step will be your ID verification. So you must be 18 years old to be accepted and receive payment. So they are required by law to conduct a simple ID verification. And then the third and the last step is online training. They say once your application has been approved, you have been verified, you will need to complete an online training before you are ready to start. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Comment if you have any comment on the comment section. I will see you on the next one.